Where does WinSCP store site's password? Where does WinSCP store site's information or password? I can't find it under Documents and Settings.
The configuration file is stored either in the Windows registry or, if you are using the portable version, in an INI file. See the documentation. The registry location is. You can always export the settings to an INI file by pressing Export in the Preferences dialog. Note that your passwords are not stored in text, but encoded. Though difficult to decrypt, it is not impossible.
Try this method. Log into your saved session. Go to Session menu. Click on Generate URL. Only check username and password options. If you need current directory path, click on this option as well. You have multiple options, URL/script/.NET assembly, select desired. Click on Copy to Clipboard. It will contain username and password. That's it.
This is a simplified version of Caesar's excellent answer and assumes your password still works in SCP. Create a batch file called echo.cmd that contains the following. Place it on a suitable place, such as your desktop. Fire up WinSCP and connect to your site. Click on Options and GT Preferences. On the Preferences dialog, go to Integration and GT Applications. Replace what was previously in the PuTTY path with the path to your newly created echo.cmd batch file. Also select the option Click OK. Now launch PuTTY from within WinSCP. Your previously stored password should now be displayed on the screen.
I had a very weird use case. I needed to recover my password, but my system admins had locked down my environment so I couldn't run any non-whitelisted executable files, and that included CMD files. My solution was to instead point the PuTTY command line to Notepad++. When it ran it said file PW does not exist. Should I create it? You say no. Then it says file, the password shows up here, does not exist. Should I create it? And again you say now. And bam, there was the password in clear text.
If you want to support the channel, please level 7.